dear President and friend Laszlo Toth, dear Minister of the Sport of Georgia, Minister of the Sport of Montenegro, dear President and friend Jovica, executive members, judo family members, guests, organizers. I want to congratulate, first of all, Montenegro for the organization of the European Championship, a great event in the country, a great event in Europe, and a great event in the world. I congratulate as well all the participant countries. Congratulations to the winner, to the medalists, but as well to all participant national federations. This moment in the sport history of the country, I think it's a significant moment and hope to be followed by other important international events. I believe as well that the judo sport will grow in the future. The government will continue to support the judo, and as well, I wish all the best in the next 2 Judo Day, and welcome to the World Championship soon in Budapest. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening.